Hey, what's going on? So here's another curb find. This I actually picked up a few months ago and I just got around to it today. Just got done cleaning it up. Replaced the cord on it. This is a Kenmore 2-speed dual cycle. You can have a constant fan or you can have the fan just come on with the compressor. And this has one of those air freshener thingies, which I think you fill that from the back. And it's a pretty big one. Case is really long. I already took the cover off the back. Here's the old cord. This outer sleeve came off right where the strain relief is. Still worked, but it's just, I don't want to leave it like that. And my new cord doesn't quite fit. The strain relief is too small on this. So I'm going to have to look for something else that will fit this better. This is an old cord I took off something else. It's getting dark out here. Put this light on. So this has two switches inside. It's got this shuts it off when there's no bucket, and this is the full bucket shut off. And you got your spring, and the bucket sits up on these brackets. Here's your label. I think that's 45 pints a day. Not sure. Anyway, let's turn it on. You shut this light off. There we go. It's high, low. So yeah, this works perfect. Most of these older dehumidifiers always work. Sometimes they have some minor things wrong, like the cord or switch or something, but they pretty much run forever. Let's turn this light back on. It'll take a minute to start tripping. Works great. Works fabulous. Just cover it back on. I forget it. It's too hard to do with one hand. Shut this light off. So there you go. That's the Kenmore dehumidifier. And that's it. See you later.